Okay, now let's solve question 5. So in question 5, we are given a diagram that shows a solid that is in the shape of half a cylinder. And they give us the diameter of 7 cm and the height of 16 cm. So we are expected to find the volume of the solid. So if you recall your volume of cylinder is given by the following equation. V equals to base area times height. So because this is just half a cylinder, your V in this case is half pi r square h. So your r will be 7 divided by 2, 3.5. Okay, is your radius. Then your height is just 16. Okay, this should give you the answer of 308 cm cubed after you run off to 3SF. In the next part, we are expected to calculate the total surface area of the solid. Okay, so for the total surface area of the solid, okay, it's similar to finding the total surface area of a cylinder, but now you have to take this rectangular surface area into account. Okay, so total surface area is given by. Okay, let's first find the surface area of the top and bottom. So that is just, we have two semicircles here. So combining it will just give us the area of a circle itself. So we can just straight away take pi r square. Okay, now for the curved surface area of the cylinder. So that is actually half of 2 pi r h. Okay, let me just write this over. Okay, so curve surface area of cylinder is this equation over here. So we just plug in the values as such. Okay, then finally we are left with our rectangle, which is 7 times 16. So this should give us the value of 326 cm square after rounding off to 3SF. All right, then moving on to part B. In part B, we are given three cones, A, B, and C, and they're all similar. They also gave us the ratio, right? So 1:3:8. Okay, note that this is the ratio for their volume. So in part I, okay, we have to find the ratio of their height. So how do we do that? Okay, so for similar figures, right? How it works is that, okay, for your ratio of the height, okay, H1, H2. Okay, when you cube it, right, you get the ratio of their volumes. Okay, so now what we have to do is to do the reverse step. Okay, so H1, okay, in this case it's not H1, it's HA. over HC equals to VA over VC. Okay, you want to cube root the entire thing, which is simply cube root 8 over cube root 1, which is 2 over 1. So our answer is 1:2. Okay, now for part 2. Okay, so we know how to find the ratio of height now, but now they want us to find the surface area of cone B as a percentage of the surface area of cone C. Okay, so firstly, right, we have to find their ratio of the surface area. Okay, so we know that HB over HC, when you square it, that will give us their ratio of surface area. Okay, so we just have to do an additional step. So so actually your A, B, AC is actually equals to your VB, VC cube root, and then you square it. Okay, so that will give us 3 cube root over 8 cube root. Okay, then you square. Okay, then in order to find the percentage itself, right? Okay, so percentage is just cube root 3 to the power of 2 over cube root 8 to the power of 2 times 100%. So this will give you the answer of 52.0% after rounding off to 3SF. So that is your answer for part B, part 2. Okay, so that's it for question 5.